Hello shining stars, welcome to my channel Seraphic Star Life. I hope you guys are taking good care of yourself. So I am not really feeling very well, but I received so many messages that people are not feeling good, they're feeling really low. So I just thought to quickly share some ways how we can raise our vibrations, or how we can just give ourselves a boost of energy. So are you also feeling low? Are you also not in the best energies of yours right now and feeling very lazy? If yes, then please do watch this video till the end. Okay, now let's start with the video. So if at all you guys are feeling low right now, or you are not feeling you know in the best energies of yours, or you're not able to complete your task in comparison to the other days, like me, I couldn't do much today and I was really feeling low. But seeing so many messages, I thought, okay, it's a good time to share this practice with all of you. So the first thing is, yes, I would say to meditate. And whatever you are doing right now, whatever job you are trying to complete right now, and if you're feeling stressed, take a break. Just take a break, refuel yourself, give yourself a boost of energy. Do something that brings happiness to you, that brings joy to you, and just take a break. So not only that, so when you are doing the meditation, right, if you're sitting for the meditation, what I want you to do is, first you take 3 deep breaths. Okay, take 3 deep breaths, and while inhaling, you inhale positivity, or you inhale high energies, and while exhaling, you exhale it through your mouth, and you exhale all your worries, you exhale all your tensions, you exhale all your stress. Okay, once you have done this, you have done this for 3 times. So when we have done this for 3 times, like I always say, after doing this for 3 times, now we have actually created a space for new energy. So we have thrown out the stress, the worries, the burden of the day-to-day task and everything. Now is time for us to create new energy. So what is it, that energy, what new energy can we create for ourselves? So in this video, we are going to learn how we can create a ball of energy for us. So what is ball of energy? Ball of energy means a ball which is full of intense energy. And this energy, the good part is that you create this energy. So whatever you want now in this ball of energy, you put it. Like you want positivity, you want joy, you want abundance, you want good health, you want the strength, you want high energies. Whatever is it that you really want, you want confidence. So whatever is it, whatever you want within yourself, to fill your space with, you put that into that ball of energy. So I learned this from Jeffrey Allen, and he's a energy healing master. And I love this practice. I have been following this practice from a long time now, I guess 1.5 year, and I feel a lot, and a lot changes within me practicing this. So I just thought to share it with you quickly. So once you have released the energy from your body, now it's time for us to create that energy. Now I will give you one quick exercise that you can do it to activate your hand chakras. Okay, so because we have a lot of chakras in our body, so it's important for us to activate them. So how you can do how you can activate your hand chakras is just if you're sitting in the meditation form, so keep your hands, your palms facing towards upward, and keep them on your lap, and then just do it like good number of times, like for 20 times you can do it. Try it for 21 times, and once you complete this, you will start feeling tingling, or you will start feeling some warmth in your hand. Okay, now once you do this, try to gather the energy, whatever energy is there. See, energy, it can never be destroyed, it can only be transformed. So why not, let's just transform it into something positive. So let's transform this energy into positive energy, high energy, energy full of confidence, love, happiness, joy. So let's just do that. Okay, just gather this energy, bring your focus onto one thing. What is it that you want, that one thing that you want right now? Okay, so like I want strength, I want peace right now, mental peace right now, so that I can work more easily. So I'll just think of good energy right now. Okay, so one of the things that I really like doing it when when I'm creating this ball of energy is that I like to chant, because I love chanting mantras. And these days I'm working with Om Namah Shivaya, because if you remember in one of my videos I have talked about Om Namah Shivaya and the syllables of Om Namah Shivaya mantra. They are actually each syllable represents our chakras, the 5 chakras, and somewhere they help us in aligning with the 5 elements of the universe. So I really love doing that. What you can do is, if you don't like mantra chanting, you can simply chant positive affirmations like I'm a blessed soul, I'm a peaceful soul, I am a money magnet, I am joyful, I attract joy, I attract miracles in my life. So there are so many positive affirmations also within this ball of energy. You can also think of good health. If you're not feeling right now good, so you can just think of good health. I can feel the energy right now between my hands. Okay, so now I'll create that ball of energy. Okay, so now I'm creating this ball of energy. Okay, the energies are high, intense, and like right now what I want most is to be relaxed. I want relaxing energies, I want soothing energies, I want calmness around me. So I'm putting all that intention into this ball of energy, right? And I feel now that the energy is very intense, I can feel it. So it may happen guys, that you may not feel anything at all in the beginning, so do not give up. Okay, so now what I'll do is, because I'm feeling the energies are too intense right now, so I'll just take this ball of energy over my head, okay, and to my shoulder and to my body entirely, to the down till my knees and to the feet, and I'll give myself a good bath from this ball of energy, full of relaxing energies, calm, soothness. And like I said, that initially you may not feel anything at all, but do not worry, because maybe the chakras are not activated right now, or you're not really very aware of your energies, but that is absolutely okay. Do not give up. Try it tomorrow, do it today, try it tomorrow, then do it for at least a week. I'm very much sure that you would feel it. If I am able to do this, anyone can do it. Just remember this, I am really sure you will be able to feel the energies, because I was someone who used to run away from the meditation, and today I'm like, okay, I have to sit for the meditation. Wow. So just try doing it, you would love it. And if you have any questions, please come back to me. Please let me know what questions do you have, how I can help you regarding this practice. Try to develop this practice, because consistency is everything. You really need to practice it at least for first 21 days, then only you will be like like this, like this. So you might have to practice for 21 days. I don't get it easily. Okay, so coming to the video, just practice this, and if you practice this, then do share your experience, so that it can help others also. And because the experience of others really helps others to rise them. So let's make someone's day better. If you are doing this practice, do share your experience, how is it, so that reading your experience, one also give it a try to it. And I wish you all a good health, happiness, joy, and guys, please stay safe, stay home, and take care of yourself. See you soon in some other video. I will make sure that I keep bringing something good to you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and like I always say, thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for loving me. It really means a lot. Thank you. And also, yeah, if you're doing this practice, then just say thanks to universe also. Thank you, and thank you. So gratitude is must, because the energy that we are using is from the universe. So just say thanks to the universe. See you soon, guys. Bye, take care. Hello shining stars, welcome to my channel Seraphic Star Life. I hope you guys are taking good care of yourself.